Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for December 6, 2023. First thing to note, we do have the morning call notes back. Those are up in the morning call channel. Second, let's go over some tools real quick. GEX ratio. Here we're looking at the SPY. GEX ratio measures cumulative out-of-the-money calls relative to the cumulative out-of-the-money puts. We favor this over the put-call ratio because this factors in the time component, that being gamma. So you can see we are right in the middle of the range of our recent range. Really nothing to be concerned of there. Looking at SPX itself, again, kind of right in the middle of the range at 1.30. So slightly more calls than puts in the cumulative call game over cumulative call put game on the complex. So, you know, nothing to really be concerned about there. Looking at our, this is our market trend model. This is a tick US model. Cumulative tick itself, which measures buying ticks, consolidation data last 2 days. The moving average, short-term moving average ribbon is relatively flat here, so kind of an important day to see if, you know, bulls are able to continue to trend higher, or bears are kind of able to, I guess, more or less take control, start a little bit of waterfall down. Some kind of constructive pullback wouldn't be the worst thing here, so keep an eye on that. In the long term, we still are constructive as the longer term moving average ribbon is trending higher. Looking at a tick US, looking at the tick US model real quick. Not a lot of significant buying or selling the last couple days. New highs continue to outpace new lows. We always see this kind of when we're in a constructive uptrend. And then again, longer term moving average ribbon is trending higher. Cumulative tick. Consolidation days kind of looks like it may be rolling over a little bit. So again, gonna be early session, gonna be important to see if we're able to resume this uptrend. We are gapping up right now, so that is constructive. Looking at the structure of the SPX now. Here we're looking at SPXP. This is PM settled complex. All expirations are turned on. Key levels to look at today. 4600, this is plus GEX. This is the strike with the most cumulative call gamma in the complex. Transition zone, top of that is 4575. P-trans being the level in which this level and all levels above are positive gamma in nature. In-trans, vice versa, this is 4555. So in the middle of this zone, which has been consistent between yesterday and today, really chop zone like we've seen the last couple of days, we've operated in the middle of this zone. So really nothing to do there. Rounding things out, negative gamma. Negative GEX 4525, strike with the most negative game in the complex. Now let's look at SPX 0DTE. So this is today's expiration only. Key zones, we have 4575. This is the top of P-trans and plus GEX. 4555, this is in-trans, and we have 4550, which is negative GEX. So again, in the middle of this zone, a lot of choppiness. Nothing to do here. Good visualization of that, as you can see on my chart right here. Let me blow this up for you guys. Yeah, really. So transition zone, this is the blue box, really hasn't changed from prior day. You can see we've just chopped right in the middle of this, so not a ton to do there. Ideally, we want to see you know, get above or below this zone. So kind of hitting on that, you know, if we're able to push through 4575, this is plus GEX, so it's going to be key to hold above this level. Reason that is important is because above 4575 we are positive call dominated, call open interest dominated, kind of a put call ratio basis. So this means that these deltas go from out of the money to in the money, so they start to limit from 0 to 1, so they start to have a lot more influence on the structure. These numbers here that are red will start to turn green as we progress higher, so this could help lead us higher. If we're able to hold above 4575, we get a drift higher. 4600 starts to become a real target. You know, we have a lot of liquidity here on the 0DT. This was also plus GEX on the SPXP complex, so it's kind of a good natural target. Then we actually have COI all the way up at 4630. So if the market is feeling crazy today and wants to rip higher, this could be a good secondary or really tertiary target after 4575, 4600. Yeah, and then to the downside, obviously, if we break in trans, 4550 is the first target, and then kind of same deal. Kind of have liquidity all the way down to 4500. That'd be quite a move lower, but you gotta be prepared for all things. So again, the key thing is really gonna be watch to see if we get confirmation with the cumulative tick and the filter tick one direction or another. If we don't, then maybe we get a lot of kind of lifeless movement in the middle of the chop zone that we have seen. So rounding things out here, just looking at rest of the week. Rest of the week is constructive, in the money, out of the money call dominated. We do have 4600. That's a good level of confluence we just talked about. Transition zones are the same. So with that, best luck out there to you guys today, and we'll see you in the Discord. Bye.